This video is created for educational purposes only. The solutions provided are based on authentic books followed by schools, starting with NCERT. While we ensure accuracy, students are advised to cross-check with their textbooks. This content is not affiliated with or endorsed by any official education board. Use this video as a study aid and always refer to your school materials for final reference. Clapperboard video introduction voiceover on screen text. Small Blue Diamond, welcome to our channel, your one-stop destination for complete exercise solutions of Class 10. Small Blue Diamond, in this video, we will cover NCERT Class 10 Science, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, solving each exercise question step by step in a simple and clear way. Small Blue Diamond, stay tuned, take notes, and let's begin. Direct hit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. NCERT Class 10 Science, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Exercise questions and answers. 1. Which of the following statements about the reaction below are incorrect? 2 PbOS plus Cs to PbS plus CoG. A lead is getting reduced. B. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. C. Carbon is getting oxidized. D. Lead oxide is getting reduced. White heavy check mark answer. B. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized incorrect. Explanation. Lead oxide is reduced to lead. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Oxidation means gain of oxygen, and reduction means loss of oxygen. 2. FeO plus 12 Alo plus 2 Fe is an example of which type of reaction? A combination reaction. B. Double displacement reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Displacement reaction. White heavy check mark answer. D. Displacement reaction. Explanation. Aluminum displaces iron from iron oxide, forming aluminum oxide. 3. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? A hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. B. Chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are produced. C. No reaction takes place. D. Iron salt and water are produced. White heavy check mark answer. A hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Reaction. Fe plus 2H close FeCl plus H. Explanation. Iron reacts with hydrochloric acid to form iron chloride and hydrogen gas. 4. What is a balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equations be balanced? White heavy check mark answer. A balanced chemical equation has an equal number of atoms of each element on both sides. Reason. Follows the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a reaction. Example, H plus OHO unbalanced. Balanced form, 2H plus O2HO. 5. Translate the following statements into balanced chemical equations. A hydrogen gas combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. White heavy check mark equation, 3H plus N2NH. B. Hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. White heavy check mark equation, 2HS plus 3O2HO plus 2SO. C. Barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and barium sulfate. White heavy check mark equation, 3BeCl plus also 2Cl plus 3BaSO. D. Potassium metal reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. White heavy check mark equation, 2K plus 2HO to KOH plus H. 6. Balance the following chemical equations. A. HNO plus CaOCaNO plus HO. White heavy check mark balanced, 2HNO plus CaOCaNO plus 2HO. B. NaOH plus HSO NaSO plus HO. White heavy check mark balanced, 2 NaOH plus HSO NaSO plus 2HO. C. NaCl plus AgNO AgCl plus 9O. White heavy check mark balanced, this equation is already balanced. D. BaCl plus HSO BaSO plus HCl. White heavy check mark balanced, BaCl plus HSO BaSO plus 2H close. 7. Write balanced chemical equations for the following reactions. A calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide calcium carbonate plus water. White heavy check mark equation, CaO plus CaCO plus HO. B. Zinc plus silver nitrate zinc nitrate plus silver. White heavy check mark equation, Zn plus 2AgNO ZnNO plus 2Ag. C. Aluminium plus copper chloride aluminium chloride plus copper. White heavy check mark equation, 12 plus 3CuCl 12Cl plus 3Cu. D. Barium chloride plus sodium sulfate plus sodium chloride. White heavy check mark equation, BaCl plus NaSO BaSO plus 2 NaCl. 8. Identify the type of reactions. A 2KBr plus BAI 2K plus BABr. White heavy check mark type, double displacement reaction. BZNCO-ZNO plus CO. White heavy check mark type, decomposition reaction. CH plus Cl to H close. White heavy check mark type, combination reaction. DNG plus to H close NgCl plus H. White heavy check mark type, displacement reaction. 9. What is meant by exothermic and endothermic reactions? Give examples. White heavy check mark answer. Exothermic reactions release heat. Example, C plus O CO plus heat. Endothermic reactions absorb heat. Example, N plus O plus heat to no. 10. Why is respiration considered an exothermic reaction? White heavy check mark answer. In respiration, glucose CHO breaks down into CO and HO, releasing energy. Equation, CHO plus 6O 6CO plus 6HO plus energy. This energy is used by our body for various activities. 11. Why are decomposition reactions called the opposite of combination reactions? Write equations. White heavy check mark answer. Decomposition reaction, a single compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. Example, CaCO plus CO. Combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Example, H plus Cl to H close. Since decomposition reactions break down compounds and combination reactions form compounds, they are opposites. 12. Write an example of a decomposition reaction carried out with the help of electricity. White heavy check mark answer, electrolysis of water. Equation, 2HO 2H plus O. Water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen gas using electricity. 13. What is the difference between displacement and double displacement reactions? Write equations. White heavy check mark answer. Displacement reaction, a more reactive element replaces a less reactive element in a compound. Example, Zn plus CuSO ZnSO plus Cu. Double displacement reaction, two compounds exchange their ions to form new compounds. Example, BaCl plus NaSO BaSO plus to NaCl. 14. In the refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution is done by displacement with copper. Write the equation. White heavy check mark answer. Cu plus to AgNO Cu no plus to Ag. Copper displaces silver from silver nitrate to form silver metal. 15. What do you mean by precipitation reaction? Give an example. White heavy check mark answer. A precipitation reaction forms an insoluble solid precipitate when two solutions are mixed. Example, BaCl plus NaSO BaSO precipitate plus to NaCl. Here, BaSO is an insoluble precipitate. 16. Explain oxidation and reduction with examples. White heavy check mark answer. Oxidation, gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Example, 2 megagrams plus O2 NgO magnesium is oxidized. Reduction, loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Example, Cu plus HO copper oxide is reduced. 17. A shiny brown substance X turns green in air. Identify X and explain the reaction. White heavy check mark answer. X is copper Cu. Copper reacts with moist air to form green basic copper carbonate CuCO.CuO. Equation, 2Cu plus HO plus CO plus OCuCO.CuO. This is corrosion. 18. Why do we apply paint on iron articles? White heavy check mark answer. Paint prevents iron from coming in contact with air and moisture, stopping rusting corrosion. 19. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? White heavy check mark answer. Prevents rancidity spoiling of fats due to oxidation. Nitrogen is an inert gas and does not allow oxidation. 20. Explain the following terms with examples. White heavy check mark a corrosion. Gradual destruction of metals due to reaction with air, water, or chemicals. Example, rusting of iron 4Fe plus 3O plus 6HO 4FeO. White heavy check mark B. Rancidity. Spoiling of fats and oils due to oxidation, causing bad taste and smell. Example, spoiled butter or chips exposed to air for long. White heavy check mark. This completes all 20 questions in a clear and exam-oriented manner. Direct hit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content.